Truly move-in ready home with great layout nestled on a 1.17-acre lot in Edmond. Owner just had a new roof put on, as well as had the exterior painted, the lot cleaned up, added new fixtures to the bathrooms, and had new carpet installed in bedrooms and study. Living room boasts cathedral ceiling with exposed beams, ceiling fan, and is accented by lovely stone fireplace hearth surrounded by windows. Home is all electric. Spacious kitchen with large island that can be removed and open to living room. Mudroom just inside garage entry to home and lots of storage throughout. Home has storm shelter, water softening filtration system, reverse osmosis system under kitchen sink, and little workshop inside garage with ventilation, exit door in CHA. Backyard has French drains, many sitting areas, a shed, and a place for your